Hi, this is Lance Tarchioni, Technical Agronomist for DeKalb and Asgrow here in Western Illinois, joined today by my colleague.
I'm Chris Cowell, Technical Agronomist for DeKalb and Asgrow here in Western Illinois as well.
So Chris and I are here at a big market development plot talking about lots of individual varieties, but we want to spend a little bit of time talking about the Asgrow brand as a whole and our soybean offering. So obviously we have a lot of products that we can talk about. We launched a very strong class in our XF3 class, and a pretty big percentage of the volume that we're going to be offering for next year was from that XF3 class. We added a strong XF4 class after that, bringing in products like 26 XF4 and 36 XF4, which are growing in importance in the lineup. Our new XF5 class that we launched this year, we actually made a conscious effort not to muddy the waters too much, because we get lots of feedback from our sellers and our dealers that we just don't need to have this many products. And we had a tremendous amount of value of confidence, a lot of consistent performance, and a lot of momentum behind our XF3 and XF4 products. So we're kind of taking a test and learn approach with the XF5 class. We've got them out in a lot of trials. They're all planted in this trial. We'll learn a lot about those varieties going into next year, have some small quantities available to sell in 25, but it will be 26 really before we have large volumes of any of the XF5s.
Correct. Yeah, so to echo on what he was saying, or to play on with this, it was a little bit odd for me going back to that fall of 23, that we had a 27 XF3, a 33 XF3, a 38 XF3, a 39 XF3, almost every, I mean, there are very few products in that entire class of products that didn't perform at above expectations. Right. It was almost, I use the word a lot of times, eerily, or it was very eerie about just how good the products performed, because we're not used to that. And so, again, to Lance's point, we made the executive decision, the conscious decision, that we didn't, to bring any of the XF5s to the marketplace, we had to cut something that we were very proud of, very comfortable with, and that we knew pretty well how they would perform. And we just weren't willing to make that. We didn't really necessarily feel the need that we needed to do that. Right. So the XF5 class are intentionally kind of small volume, if any. Now that said, there is a brand new 2.9, there's a brand new 3.1, there's a brand new 3.5. There's a new 3.7, there's a new 4.0, and a new 4.3. So there's a lot of brand new products there in that XF5 class that we could have played with. Some of them do bring some attributes that we like, but again, it's we were a little bit nervous about pulling away from something that we're very happy and very content with, right, to move to something that's a little bit more unknown.
When we build a crop plan to offer to our customers for the next season, it's kind of a risk versus reward trade-off there. A couple of these XF5 products, if you look at the limited breeding data that we've got, could actually be superior products. But we felt that we had a lot of confidence in our 36 XF4, our 38 XF3, our 33 XF3, 39 XF3. A lot of years of good, solid performance. A lot of customers very happy with them. And so we're going to make those XF5s prove themselves with another year of solid performance before we get too aggressive bringing those into the lineup. So I do want to call out that still looking forward to being able to introduce our next platform of soybean technology that we currently call HT4 within research. Looking at launching that in a couple years. Very excited to be able to offer 5-way herbicide system resistance to glyphosate, glufosinate, dicamba, 2,4-D, and mesotrione in that 5-way stack bean. So don't let the 4 fool you. The HT4 refers to the 4th generation of herbicide technology, but there's actually 5 traits stacked into that product.